Hey everyone, this is week 3, the check-in, kind of with everyone. I decided to do my project called Hearts for Hope. Um, I, really wanted to do it just obviously because of everything going on with COVID. My work has been super cooperative in terms of allowing me to do it, and it's been awesome. In terms of it still connecting with my career path, I guess it really doesn't with my new career path, which is going to be schools, but considering everything going on right now, is still definitely taught me about leadership and different roles that I need to have. Things that are going well, just kind of the whole structure of it. Everyone is really behind me on wanting to do this and finding a organization that's great. The challenging part has been kind of my mentor. She seems to be kind of not available as much as I had hoped in terms of guiding me and kind of giving me ideas, but instead I'm kind of using the people I work with and ideas that they have and just different things that they've done in the past. So I guess maybe my mentor is kind of changing. Growing as a leader, just in terms of working with different personalities and just kind of delegating different things that I need to get done that really I feel like are important for this project. In terms of, I have someone right now working on a poster for me that's going to be going up in the lobby. I had someone cutting out letters for, what we have in our window, which I'm hopefully going to be able to attach to this. I ordered a bunch of sticky notes. I got those in. I had help getting giant hearts in our windows at my office. So there's been a ton of different things. Our tellers have started selling hearts and allowing, customers to write whatever they want on them. We decided not to set any specific dollar amount for a donation. We're kind of doing whatever you want. And we felt like it wasn't really the appropriate time to require a certain amount. But yes, I mean, that's kind of where I'm at with everything. I hope everyone is doing good as well, and we will talk to y'all soon. Thank you.